Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Otherworld horns, this one. So you have to go to the camp first. I made this video for the beginner or new into this game. Let's play together. But firstly, go to the camp first and tap this horn. This is the Otherworld horn. You can get some little information here. Tap the icon. Otherworld horn. So it's a legendary treasure. Its penetrating sound can be heard from all planes and bring you desired allies. You can read or you can learn about the notes here and the reward rules. And let's try to, and it requires 1 unit of energy and it restore in some time. And I have remaining summon 2 remain. And also please select reliable to find matches allies. Okay, let's tap the ice, the damage and the melee for example, and tap the summon and make sure it's got more than 10 to get a better hero. So I just get the common hero. And let's try one more time. Like the orc maybe. Necrosis, no weak range. Let's summon. And I got another common hero. So maybe you are lucky than me. Feel free to try the Otherworld horn. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.